Good day, everybody. This is Doug, the Modeling Hermit, and I am coming to you with a new project that I'm going to be working on. My good friend Jim Van Zee is a local racing legend here, and I just got done with the crew cab 78 Dodge that he used to haul, actually still uses to haul race cars on, drag cars, and I'm going to be now starting on a 1965 Dodge A990 Superstock. This is another drag car that he drove, and this will be in a silver color. I'm going to be wiring the engine, plumbing the engine, doing the same thing with the chassis wiring, plumbing that, brake lines, fuel lines, everything on that, all the electrical that I can do in it. And then it'll have the seatbelt, safety equipment, the roll bars, all those type of things will be going into this kit. Now this is a Mobius kit, which is really a high quality kit. So a lot of my problems are taken care of because there's no situations with odd interior designs and such like that to have to work with. This is nice platform type interior and such to work with too. So I will be building this as raced by Jim for several years. And yeah, I'm just really excited about being able to do this. This kit actually is his. He gave it to me to build for him. And it just makes me feel good to be able to do this, to be able to, use my talent to make somebody else feel good, to bring back a piece of their history to them. And that's what we're going to be doing with this. And this is a piece of history for him and the community. I'll be sharing this build with my community too. Okay, so now we've got kit cut open. Now the trick is to get it out. And what we find in it is the body. Oh, look at that. No flash. That thing is beautiful. No sink marks. There's a mark across there, but that paint will take care of that. Yeah, this thing's in beautiful condition. This is beautiful. I mean, what you expect from Mobius. I'm not going to open up this all right now, but got two different hoods for it, so it can be built two different ways. Basically, the same tires that I'd be wanting to use on it, those are in there. And there's what I'm talking about, is the platform interior. There's the sides. There's the bottom. And chassis underneath it does have the molded-in gas tank. And, yeah, I mean, this thing is just all kinds of little pieces here and there. I'm not going to go into it all right now. Like I said, I'm just showing you what's there. Two different grills on this. I have to see which one was used on his. And then there's the seats for it, the clear parts, and then we have two different sets of wheels because we had the stock wheels. Someplace I thought I saw the stock. Yeah, there's the stock wheels. So yeah, this has the stock wheels on it, and then it's also got the mag wheels on it. We've got the parts out for this thing now. This is the body. There's some wheels here, these stock wheels. I won't be using those. And there's two different hoods. I'll be using the one with the hole in it. Like the hole in my head, I guess. And then just all kinds of other general parts. The interior, thankfully, is one that you have to make up completely. I like that in the fact that I don't have to, cut out seats and all that kind of stuff. Speaking of cutting out, see those little things right there in front of the interior? There's little, save those things, people. They come in handy for different things. So yeah, just kind of hang on to those. When you cut these things off, just throw them in the parts bin. Make a drawer up for them. I do that with all kinds of different parts on this. This was an automatic floor shifted automatic. And so this is Mobius, so you're seeing some really high quality parts here without a lot of flash on them or anything. The seats in this, we'll be using those seats because the original version of the actual car used the seats from a Dodge van in it. And notice that has that nice back there where I don't have to have the seat in it. There's no back seat for this one. Exhaust, I'll figure that out as I go along. I've got to talk to Jim about that and see what exhaust it had in it. Yeah, so this is, everything builds up. I'll be using the single headlight on it, as you see on the box. I'll be using that single headlight. There's actually 3 different grills in here. I'll be using the lower bumper there too. And so the grill, the bumper, fenders, hood, and door were all stamped out of a lightweight steel that made it much lighter going down the dragway. So all those things were made out of lightweight steel. There's another set of mag wheels on this, and of course, naturally, I won't be using those. I have a choice. These are some that I have on hand. They're from the 55 Chevrolet kit, the choice of wheels here. So these are from the 55 Chevrolet kit, and those I can chrome up to use on the original car. The original, let me see if I can find a picture of that here. And hang on just a second while I'm looking. And okay, there it is. So there is the wheels on the original. So they're not far off the ones from the 65. The decals, I've already got the decals. Those came from STS Decals. Thank you guys. They did a wonderful job on them. So anyway, this is what the car looked like. It was a silver car, had kind of a light tan beige interior type thing in it. And that's what the original car looks like. This is what we're going to be going for. And this is what we're starting with to get that. So yeah, that great big pile of stuff is going to turn in to the real deal. And what we have here is what I call a mess. And we're going to turn this mess into a model car. So we have a body over here with part of a chassis, some door panels, hood scoop, seats, dash panel, rear end. Oh, there's a hood over there and some inner panels for the fenders, and yeah, just all kinds. We've even got an engine over there. Check that out. There's even an engine here. So anyway, we are going to be taking all of these things here, and they will become Jim Van Zee's 1965 Dodge Coronet drag car. So you're just going to have to watch in the future episodes as I take all of this stuff here, and I take it and I cut it off the sprues, and I glue it together, and it just magically becomes a model car. Well, maybe not magically, but anyway, we're going to be turning all the debris over there into a 1965 Dodge Coronet A990 Super Stock Dodge. It's got 426 Hemi engine. The car that we did before had the 426 wedge. Difference between 64 and 65. So anyway, that's what we're going to be working on. And this is Doug, the Modeling Hermit, and I'm off the air, and I'm gone.